you can crank that fitting down as much as you want, it's still going to leak. That's broken, that's cracked. Here at the Nail Gun Depot, we want to inform our customers of any issues or problems you could conceivably see in the tool. With almost all pneumatic tools, you put a fitting into it. You really need to use pipe tape. Pipe tape does two things. The Teflon tape that I use expands under pressure, so I don't have to crank that down too hard. And it also helps keep those air leaks from coming. And when you need to take that fitting out, it will be easier. We're having a lot of issues with the Bostitch MCN150 where people are cranking down the fitting so tight that it cracks this. And then you're gonna have an air leak for the remainder of that life of that tool. If I crank down the fitting too much, it expands that female thread and it split that joint right there. So I'm constantly gonna have air leaking out of there. Depends, you can crank that fitting down as much as you want, it's still gonna leak. That's broken, that's cracked. Put your pipe tape on your fitting, put that in the proper hole for your fitting. And by all means, this is not just a Bostitch issue. It happens with several tools. But now that I have the pipe tape on there, I don't have to crank it down too much. And that will hold and seal my fitting and make it easier to get out one day when I need to do it. Thank you.